Hi there. Adding a header or a footer to PDFs makes your PDFs more professional and easier to view and navigate. Open the PDF in Foxit PDF Editor. Then go to the Organize tab. Expand Header and Footer and click Add. Choose a saved template, if any. Set the font and margin settings. Click Appearance Options to shrink the document or keep the existing position and size. Choose the header section and type the desired text. You can also add page numbers, file name, or date to the header and footer text. Click Page Range Options to specify the pages. Click Save Template for future use. Click OK to apply the headers and footers. The header and footer now appear across your selected pages. From the same menu, you can update existing headers and footers. To delete them, click Remove All.